In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then tap on Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!